In today's smartphone market, we typically see three major design concepts. Large flagship phones. These range between 6.7 to 6.9 inches. Examples include the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. While they offer powerful features, a key drawback is their bulky feel, making them less comfortable for everyday use. Slim and sleek phones. Phones like the Samsung S25 Edge and the iPhone 17 Air fall into this category. They have a large display and a slim design, but one big downside is their small battery size, which impacts overall battery life. Compact phones. These are typically between 6 to 6.4 inches. They are convenient to use and don't have any major drawbacks, making them a great choice for many users. Now, according to recent leaks, OnePlus is set to join the compact smartphone segment with its upcoming OnePlus 13S, expected to launch soon in India. It will reportedly feature a 6.32-inch display and pack a massive 60 mAh battery, which could be a game changer in the compact category. So in this video, let's find out, is the OnePlus 13S the perfect compact smartphone for you? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Start by talking about the design of the phone. The OnePlus 13S is a compact smartphone, and its in-hand feel is quite reminiscent of the iPhone 16. The device features a premium aluminum alloy frame with a frosted glass back, giving it a solid and luxurious feel in hand. On the back, you'll find a dual-camera setup positioned in the top left corner. Considering the expected price, the build quality is impressive. The combination of the frosted aluminum frame and frosted glass back makes the phone look and feel very premium. Left side. Instead of the traditional alert slider, OnePlus has introduced a new Plus key, offering customizable functionality. Bottom, USB-C Gen 2 port, loudspeaker, microphone, and SIM card slot. Right side, volume rocker and power button. Top, secondary microphone and an IR blaster. The front display is protected by crystal shield glass, and the phone is rated IP65 for water and dust resistance, a great touch for durability. On the front, the OnePlus 13S features a 6.32-inch LTPO AMOLED display with crystal shield glass protection for added durability. It comes with a resolution of 1216 by 2640 pixels, which delivers excellent clarity, especially for a compact-sized screen. This phone supports a 120Hz high refresh rate, ensuring a super smooth user experience. It also includes Dolby Vision and HDR+ support, allowing you to stream high dynamic range content on platforms like YouTube and Netflix with enhanced detail and contrast. The display brightness is another strong point. It performs well even in bright sunlight, thanks to its peak brightness of up to 1600 nits in high brightness mode. Additionally, the screen has very slim bezels, which contributes to an overall premium and compact display look. Thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate and Oxygen OS, all animations feel fluid and responsive. Combined with the powerful processor, the display also delivers a smooth and immersive experience during gaming and everyday usage. Talk about one of the most important aspects of the phone, its processor and internals. The OnePlus 13S is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, an 8-core chipset built on TSMC's advanced 3nm architecture. It comes with either 12GB or 16GB of RAM, offering flagship-level performance that we've seen in the top Android smartphones. Since the Snapdragon 8 Elite is a very powerful processor, using it in a compact device can lead to heating issues. To counter that, OnePlus has equipped the phone with a large vapor chamber to ensure better heat dissipation during heavy usage. You can enjoy demanding games like BGMI Genshin Impact and Asphalt 9 at high settings without any issues. Thanks to the 120Hz high refresh rate, gaming feels incredibly smooth and responsive, offering a top-tier experience. The OnePlus 13S also includes several gaming-focused features, such as bypass charging to reduce heat while gaming on charge, frame interpolation for smoother visuals. Overall, the OnePlus 13S is a high-performance smartphone capable of handling all your apps and games with ease, delivering a fast, smooth, and immersive experience. Now let's talk about the rear of the phone, where you get a dual camera setup. It includes a 50-megapixel main camera along with a 50-megapixel 2x telephoto lens. Next to the cameras, you'll also find a LED flash and a color spectrum sensor. In daylight, the main camera performs well and captures good quality photos. The 2x telephoto camera also delivers decent results in well-lit conditions, and the 2x zoom works effectively. However, in low-light conditions, both cameras struggle significantly. The photos contain a lot of noise, and the image quality drops drastically. This is quite surprising for a phone in this price range. Both the main and telephoto sensors show noticeable grain and lack of clarity in darker environments. The phone supports video recording at up to 4K resolution at 60 FPS, which sounds impressive on paper. But in real-world usage, the final footage appears jerky and unstable. The camera also struggles with consistent focusing, often trying to hunt for focus repeatedly during recording. On the front, there's a 16-megapixel selfie camera, which takes good photos in well-lit conditions. However, video recording is limited to 1080p resolution, which might be a drawback for users who vlog or shoot a lot of front-facing videos. Overall, the cameras are a weak point for the OnePlus 13S. If camera performance is a priority for you, then this phone might leave you disappointed. There are two major reasons why phone manufacturers have been shifting toward larger phones: bigger screens and larger batteries. However, thanks to advancements like silicon carbon technology, phone makers can now fit high-capacity batteries in smaller sizes. Despite being a compact phone with a 6.32-inch display, the OnePlus 13S packs a massive 6,260 mAh battery. This battery performs impressively well and easily provides a full day of usage on a single charge. Even with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the phone maintains great battery efficiency. You can play high-graphic games for long sessions without worrying about battery drain. In the box, you get a 100-watt charger, and the phone itself supports up to 80-watt wired fast charging. Considering its compact size, the battery performance of the OnePlus 13S is outstanding. If battery life is important to you, this phone will definitely leave you satisfied. These were my thoughts on the upcoming OnePlus 13S, based on the latest leaks and rumors. For the full in-depth review, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Let me know your opinions about this phone in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like.